Happy Wednesday, everybody. This is week one, day two of the Direct Link feature series. This week, we're focusing on email. Day one, I gave an overall overview of Direct Link's email marketing capabilities. Day two, we talked about reporting and the importance of reporting. Day three, today, we're going to focus on A-B testing. So who is A-B testing their emails? Who knows what A-B testing is? Today, we'll talk about the importance of A-B testing, why you should be doing it, and how you can do it within Direct Link. When composing a marketing email, have you ever struggled with, is this the right subject line? Is this the right content? Is this the right design? What sender name, what from name should this email be from? If you've ever struggled with those questions, A-B testing is for you because it allows you to test certain variables of an email to see what's working, to see what messages are, what components, what elements of emails, what messages are resonating the most with your audience, what's getting opened, what's getting clicked. Then you select the sample group, and you could determine the size in Direct Link. You select the sample group. Half the sample group gets email A, the other half of the sample group gets email B, and then the winner is going to be determined on a couple different variables, which we'll go through in just a second here. The winning email will then be sent to the remainder of the group. We recommend, based on best practices and industry research, testing about 20%, depending on list size, but typically test about 20% of your total audience. So 10% get email A, 10% get email B, and then the remainder, the winning email, goes to the rest of the people in that group. So here's what it looks like in Direct Link. Here are the options you get when you go to compose an email. Just simply click this plus sign by email campaigns, and then you'll see this pop up, email campaign A/B test. So if you know what you want to send, if there's no confusion about subject lines or content or design elements or whatever the case might be, just choose an email campaign, schedule it, send it, whatever you need to do. But if you do have some questions, if you want to make sure you have that exact perfect subject line, sender name, content, design, whatever it might be, you're going to want to A/B test, and this is how you do it. Simply select A/B test. So up here, you type in your campaign name. This is new coffee club members. Remember, this is Sycamore Street Coffee. It's a fake coffee shop. It's our demo account within Direct Link. So you're going to see a lot of coffee related posts. So campaign name, new coffee club members, category, coffee promotions. And again, in settings within our email marketing module, you could customize whatever categories you need to create or want to create right here. So this is going to be coffee promotion. You select your group right here. This is going to Ryan's Coffee Crew. Save and next right here. And now we select our variables. So what elements or what element of the email do you want to test? You want it to be subject line, content and design, from name. We'll do subject line, probably the most common that there are a lot of questions around. This is a small group, and I recommended 20%. Oh, we'll just do 20% because that's what we said we're going to go with initially. It's going to 2 people. Again, small sample group. But we take this little guy right here, we slide it over to 20%. If you want to do 40%, slide it this way. If you want to do less, 10%, slide it that way. But we'll go with 20%. We'll see total emails sent in campaign 13, number of A/B tests to be sent, the number of winners being emailed will be 11. 11 people will receive the winning email. What determines the winner? We're going to select, you could do open rate, you could do click rate, we'll do open rate, and determine your winner by, you could select hours, you could select days. This is a quick little campaign, so we'll just do, let's just say 3 hours. Now that those are set, we're going to save and next and go to details. Here I have my 2 subject lines. Email subject line A, welcome to the club, with a little coffee cup emoji. Email subject B, what to expect as a new member. So that's what we're going to test out. The sender name, I can customize that. Ryan from Sycamore, reply to, I had to use my own email address. And then we're going to save and next. We can go to our template. We're going to skip this part because we're going to go over the drag and drop email editor, the templates, the content in a subsequent video. We'll probably do that tomorrow. So we're going to skip right to confirm. So I selected my template, I updated my content, and I scheduled this to go out tomorrow at 10 a.m. And we'll just make it official. We'll schedule it. There we go. Schedule your A/B test email. The winning email will be determined by subject line and sent to the remaining contacts in your group 3 hours from the scheduled date of 8/15/2019, 10 a.m. Let's start testing. Boom, it's scheduled. And boom, it's scheduled. Once the first emails get sent it begins collecting data, and you can check the status of the winning email. And then again, once the winner is determined, the remaining emails, or the emails will go out to the remaining people in your contact group. So that's A/B testing, extremely important when it comes to your overall email marketing strategy. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow.